Hello, my name is Ambreen, and today I will be walking you through my vending machine code for Summative Assessment 2 utility app. And first and foremost, when you enter the vending machine code, you can see that there is a friendly greeting for the vending machine, which reads out as "Welcome to Ambreen's vending machine." And then after that, the main thing that is the most important part is the menu, which is the inventory, which I have designed using nested dictionaries. So I have taken one main dictionary, and inside of that I have created multiple other dictionaries for different categories of different snacks, which will be stored in the vending machine, which is crisps, chocolate, biscuits, and drinks. And now to display the said vending machine menu items, it prints out the heading called vending machine menu, and then it loops through the inventory dictionary, which stores all the items which are categorized as said before, and it prints the category name, product code, item name, price, stock availability in a well-formatted table, and its purpose is to help users to see their options more clearly and to make a more informed purchase. And the code after that is function to validate if the code entered by the user is valid. So this function, how it works is it loops through the categories in inventory dictionary for each category, it checks the entered code, matches any product, and if a match is found, it returns true if the item's category and the item's category name. Otherwise, it enters false. Its purpose is to basically ensure that the users cannot select an invalid product, and it only guides them to pick the available options. And then I have get product code. This function is basically designed to get the input from the user to which snack do they want to purchase, and it repeatedly just prompts the user to enter product code or type exit to quit, and it also has removed the input to uppercase. It converts the input to uppercase for consistency, and its purpose is to basically handle input validation and provides a clear way for users to navigate the vending machine. So the function after that is to check and track the stock, and how it works is it searches for the product within the inventory, and then if it checks if the product is in sufficient stock, if it is available, the stock reduces by 1 and the product's details also change according to that. But if it is out of stock, it notifies the user that the item isn't available. And its purpose is to prevent users from selecting items which are not in stock and ensuring the vending machine runs smoothly and swiftly. And the function after that is to carry out the payment procedure. So how it works is basically it prompts the user to enter the payment amount, and if the payment is equal or greater to the total price, it calculates the change and then returns it. If the payment is insufficient, it notifies the users and allows them to try again. Its purpose is to basically ensure users pay the correct amount while handling cases. Sometimes they overpay or they underpay. So according to that, it makes sure that there's no errors like that. So the function after that is basically to suggest the user to buy a product based on their previous purchase. This function pairs items according to the category purchased, and if no pairings exist, it notifies the user. How it works is it uses a dictionary called pairings to determine which category pairs with the user's chosen dictionary. For example, crisps category pairs with the drinks category, and it retrieves and displays the available items from the paired category, and if no pairing exists, it notifies the users. Its basic purpose is to encourage users to make an additional purchase by offering suggested pairings as well as improving user satisfaction as well as revenue. Now the code after that, the function after that is to validate the pairing code, which works the same way as the primary product code checker, and if the code is invalid, it asks the user to try again, but if the code is valid, it continues to the next function, which is to ask the user for the payment. And then the function after that is to print the summary of the purchase, which is a function which prints out the receipt, which shows the summary of all the purchases made in this specific vending machine experience. So it prints out the list of items purchased, displaying each item's names and price, and calculates the total price of items purchased, and gives out a friendly greeting message such as "Thank you for using the vending machine." And last but not the least is the main function of the vending machine, which contains basically everything the vending machine needs to run. And this has the display menu. Sorry, um, it um, it allows the users to select items. It basically has the stock process. It has the suggested pairings, and it has the process payment procedures. It has the print receipt function, and this function's basic main purpose is that it ties all the functions into a seamless workflow, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience. And it also helps to give out change as well. And it prints out a nice message, a friendly greeting at the end of it as well. And that is the detailed explanation of the code. Now let's run the code and see how it looks like when it's working, when it runs, sorry. So basically this is what the vending machine will look like when it runs. Welcome to Umbreen's vending machine. So now it displays the vending machine menu. So let's make a purchase, and for example, I'm feeling like purchasing Cheetos. So let's just enter a wrong code just to check if the code validation works. It does work, and it's asking you to enter the proper one now. So I'll enter my C5 to purchase my Cheetos. So now Cheetos have been added to my cart for $3, and now I'm being offered suggested pairings from the drinks, since that is a suggested pair. So I want to purchase an orange juice, so I will click yes, I want to purchase a pairing item. And the code of the pairing item, I'm just going to mess it up on purpose so we can ensure that the validation code thing works again. So I'm just going to enter F2, invalid pairing code, please try again. So now I'm going to enter D5. Iced coffee has been added to my cart for $5.50. Insert payment for $8.50. So now I'm going to enter, for example, $10. Then it prints out the receipt that says iced coffee is for this much, Cheetos are for this much, the total is this much. It has already dispensed the change over here. And then it prints out, thank you for using the vending machine, have a nice day. So that was my walkthrough for my vending machine for Summative Assessment 2, and thank you very much.